Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the bracelet on your Casio watch when you have this particular example. So we have this sliding type of adjustment, so we can move this part up and down in order to loosen it or to tighten it. So what you would like to do is to first take the measurement to your wrist and see whether you want to move it up and down. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all the common watchmaker tools that I normally use in order to replace the batteries, to adjust bracelets, to do a bunch of stuff on my watches. So what you want to do is to maybe take a flat screwdriver, the pin remover, or a metallic part that can actually be inserted right here. We have an arrow that shows you that here you can actually insert something and then remove. So to open this part right here, and now the bracelet is going to slide up and down. So now you want to fix it where you would, let's say, make a mark, or maybe you can try 2 or 3 times, because as you can see it is pretty easy. And now we are going to then, after we have decided where we want it, I'm going to fold it back together. In case you do not have enough power, you can use the handle from your screwdriver, from your pair of pliers, to apply some pressure in order to push it down. But I'm pretty sure you are going to do that without any other tools, and then you'll be able to test if the watch goes well on your wrist. Then we are going to open it up, and voila, we have adjusted the bracelet, so the measurement on our Casio stainless steel bracelet. So this is going to work for other brands out there that feature the same, let's say, gliding, sliding bracelet system that you can see right here, guys. Once again, make sure to check the links in the description box below for any watchmaker tools that you might want to use. In case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. If you found value, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next. Also, check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you on the next one.